Hey guys, so we'll be checking out this smart high bay light that I just received for viewing purposes. I think that it's really nice because you don't need to wire it or anything like that. You can just plug it in into the electrical outlet and you can hang it with this cable or with the hook that comes included, okay? You also receive the remote control to control it with, set down the temperature, adjust the brightness, set it up however you need it. And what I like about it is that you can connect it to an application with your cell phone, and that way you'll be able to control it with your cell phone wirelessly. You can also configure it so it will work with your Amazon Alexa, which I think that it's really nice. But first, let me go ahead and test it out. Come on. Setting them ready isn't any difficult at all. You just basically need to hand them and just plug them in and you will be using it right away. As I've said, you can control it with the application or just with the remote control. And what I like about them is that you can group them so you can control all the different lights with just one remote control or just with one application, which I think that it makes it really simple. Okay, and now it's ready. As you can see, it's quite powerful, but still we can take the brightness a little bit further up, dim it down, or just have it on the lowest. You can actually change the color temperature, which I think that it's really nice, and that it's quite powerful in a room like this kind of warehouse if you need it, in your garage, wherever you need it. I think that it's going to be really useful because, as you can see, it didn't take that much long to set it up. You just needed to hang it and connect it to the power, and it's really that it comes with a remote control. That way you can configure it and set it up however you need it. Overall, I think that it's really nice and I will really recommend it. See you guys.